The door panel is attached to the door a total of 10 times. The first screw is under a cover on the top end. Pull the cover up and out of the panel. Remove the screw underneath. Screw number 2 and number 3 are located under the inside door handle cover. Pry the cover outwards at the lower end. Remove both screws. Screw number 4 and number 5 are located under the power window switch panel. Lever the switch console upwards out of the door panel and then pull backwards. Do not pry up at the front end. The console is just inserted here. Unplug the window switch and the mirror adjuster. Remove the screws underneath. Screws 6 and 7 are freely accessible at the lower end of the panel. Remove them. Screws 89 and 10 are under the speaker cover. Carefully pry it outwards. Remove the 3 screws. Take out and unplug the speaker. The door panel is now only attached to the door with clips at the rear end. Pull at the panel firmly and jerkily and remove it a little. The door panel is still attached to the inside handle. To unhook, first pull the Bowden cable out of the guide. And then free the white lock from the cable. It's not that easy and requires a little patience and, above all, good nerves when remounting. The upper part of the panel is off now. Removing the lower part is just formality. Remove for screw and remove the shell. The cover behind is only clipped in. That's it. Helpful tools and links are in the description. I wish you success.